In this video, we shall be looking at how to update your Play Store. So if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store, and once you open your Play Store, click on your profile at the top right corner, and once you click on that, once you click on your profile, scroll to where you can see settings, and once you click on settings, you can see about. You can see a lot of options over here. Click on about, and once you click on about, you can see update Play Store. Now this is how you can easily update your Play Store to the latest version. So click on update Play Store over here, and once you click on update Play Store, you can see Google Play Store is up to date. I have updated mine to the latest version. So once you click on this, just update your Play Store to the latest version, and that's it. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.